Before the Airvo 2 humidifier can be used on a patient, you must ensure that it has been cleaned and disinfected. Check that the clean storage cover is sealed and its label is completed when you collect an Airvo 2 humidifier from storage. Some hospitals leave the red disinfection tube in place instead of using the clean storage cover to indicate cleaning and disinfection has been carried out. Along with the Airvo 2 humidifier, you will need the following accessories: an Airvo tube and chamber kit, which contains an autofill water chamber, a chamber adapter, and heated breathing tube, a bag of sterile water, and a patient interface. A number of interfaces are available for use with the Airvo 2, including both an adult and junior nasal cannula, tracheostomy interface, and mask interface adapter. Please read the separate user instructions for the patient interface that are to be used, including all warnings. These accessories need to be replaced for every new patient. For prolonged treatment, replace the tube and chamber kit and adult interface every 14 days, and for junior interfaces every 7 days. Open the packaging of the tube and chamber kit. Remove the blue port caps from the chamber by pulling the tear tab upwards, then remove the bracket holding the water supply tube. Fit the supplied adapter over the two vertical ports on the chamber and push on fully. Then clip the water supply tube into position. Fit the water chamber to the unit by pushing down the finger guard and sliding the chamber on, carefully aligning with the blue chamber port ends. Push the chamber on firmly until the finger guard clicks into place. Attach the sterile water bag to the hanging bracket at least 20 centimeters above the unit and push the bag spike into the fitting at the bottom of the bag. Open the vent cap on the side of the bag spike. The chamber will now automatically fill to the required level and maintain that level until the water bag is empty. To ensure continual humidification, always ensure that the water chamber and/or water bag are not allowed to run out of water. Check that water flows into the chamber and is maintained below the maximum water level line. If the water level rises above the maximum water level line, replace the chamber immediately. Next, connect the heated breathing tube. One end of the heated breathing tube has a blue plastic sleeve. Lift the sleeve and slide the connector onto the unit. Push the sleeve down to lock. Choose the appropriate interface. The Airvo 2 is now ready for the patient.